Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag PostgreSQL DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to install and configure the pgBadger on PostgreSQL 18. Step-by-step guide on the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, and this is a PostgreSQL log analyzer. So here we are using the server. The server IP is 192.168.136.128, and the running the OS is the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. And my server is running with the VMware Workstation. This is server one, and the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. And while installing, I have given the IP 192.168.136.128. So now I am going to access this server. You can access with the any SSH tool. So I am going through the CMD. So here SSH DPT at the rate 192.168.136.128. So admin at the rate 123 sudo su clear. So this is my server. So I am in root user sudo su. I went to the root user. So now I'm going to install the pgBadger. So pgBadger is the powerful log analyzer for the PostgreSQL that generates the detailed report from the PostgreSQL on the log files. So here we'll learn how to install, configure and use the pgBadger on the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So step by step process we'll go through that, and this will be using for the PostgreSQL 18. This is the latest version of the PostgreSQL stable version. So now just assume that you have not installed, then okay, I'll show you the installation process. If you have already installed, then go through the next step. So here I'm just going to install the PostgreSQL 18 now. So now first I'll update and upgrade my system packages. So whatever the installed packages, I'm going to update and upgrade that. So this one is completed. Now we are moving for the adding the repository on the package list. So Postgres repositories. So run these two commands. So this will be enable the PostgreSQL apt repositories on the apt.postgres.org on your system. So now enter to continue on Control C to abort. So we have click on enter and continue. This is completed. Now I'm going to update my system sudo apt update. After adding the all the packages, I'm going to update this. So this is done. So now I'm going to install -1 PostgreSQL SQL 18 and PostgreSQL contrib 18. So here I'm installing the PostgreSQL 18, directly naming the package. So here you can able to see the Postgres 18 git is installing, and above also you can see the Postgres 18 is installing. Mm. So installation is done. Now I'm going to start PostgreSQL and enable that. So sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. So next I'm going to enable whenever the system will reboot or restart. So automatically Postgres service will start. So for that we have enabled this. Now let me check the Postgres version. So psql minus. So there is 18.0 is there. So you can log in and you can test also. So sudo minus u pogres psql. So here select version. So here PostgreSQL 18 is there. Okay. Now I'm going to exit from this. And next, now install the pgBadger. So install the dependencies first. So pgBadger is written in the Perl. So you need to install the Perl and few module. Now I'm going to update my system first. So update is done. Now going to install the dependencies. So these are we need. So there is a Perl. I'm going to install library Perl. Yes. Approx 21 MB. So other packages are in different sizes. So all the dependency installation is done. Now I'm going to install the pgBadger. So sudo apt install -y pdger. So installation is completed. Now let me check the version of the pgBadger. pg. So there is a 13.1 is there. So 13.1 is running in my system. So we have done this. For the configure the PostgreSQL login. For the pgBadger to generate the reports, PostgreSQL need to the configure to log enough information. Edit the PostgreSQL configuration file. So this is the configuration file of the PostgreSQL. Now I'm going to edit this. So one by one we have to enable this one. So now I'm going to Control W and search for the log collector. So log collector is off. Oh, this should be on. Remove the hash from this. And log directory. Log directory. I'm giving the directory path. Done. Name. Log file name. You can leave it or you can change the name. Log rotation age 1 day. Log rotation size just I'm giving 0. Log minimum duration to find out. Log minimum duration will be I'm giving the 0. So all log will be 0 log for 0 for all log statement. I'm giving 200 only when need the number of least number of milliseconds, so 200. Now so we need the detail log, so log line prefix, so log line prefix will be, I'm changing this one, then control W log statement will be, so these are the log statement, none, DLL and MOD and all, so I'm giving the all, so all log will be captured there. Log checkpoint on, log connection, I'm giving this one also on, disconnection also on. Now I'm going to save this one, control X, Y and enter. So we have done this one. Now restart the Postgres to apply the changes. So we need to, whatever the configuration changes you have done, this should be applied after the restart the PostgreSQL. So PostgreSQL restart is done. Now I'm going to create a database and create table. So login, I'm going to log in to the my database, sudo -u post postgres psql. Now create a database. So create database and database name. So testdb /c testdb. Now I'm going to create a table /dt. Let me check. So test table is created. We have created a test table. Now insert some data. One data is inserted. Now select the data. So we have one data. Now drop the table. Now drop the database. Okay, cannot it drop because I am already working with this. So exit. Again, let me log in and drop the database. Now /l. So we don't have the test database. Okay. So here exit. Again, let me log in and I will drop this one. Now check the log. Not here. So exit from this. So all the details are there. Control C. Now generate a pgBadger report. So we need to require the Apache 2. So we are installing the Apache 2 for the web view. Now I'm going to start my Apache 2 system ctl start Apache 2. Okay, then enable the service. So automatically it will start when system reboot. Enable. So we have done this one. Let me go to this path and let me check the log first. Okay, so logs are there. So now I'm going to create a report. So HTML file. So report is done. Now this command will generate the report. So this will be the file inside this path. So now view the report. So already we have installed the Apache. So now I'm going to access this one. So all the reports will be there. See, so it's traffic and other detail and logs, queries, query by database. So all the queries. So we have created the table, create test table, created database and drop. Some most frequent query will be there. So you can able to see all the things. So you will see the detailed visual report of the PostgreSQL performance and activity. So for the automating the pgBadger report generation, just like you want to just create the report, means automatic report. So every day. Now I'm going to schedule a cron job. So open the cron job, cron tab, one for the nano. Now go to the end, and every day 6 a.m. it will just generate one report on the same path. So run this one. So this is the pgBadger and this is the log file I am going to read, and this is the file it will generate. So file it will generate a HTML file report. Okay. So control X Y. So save. Now going to restart the cron job /etc init d cron restart. So we have restarted the cron. So in this video, we have learned how to install and configure the pgBadger on PostgreSQL 18 step-by-step guide on the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So we have seen all the things, and we have got the web view also. So all the details, too many, how many there, temporary files, vacuum, event, duration, all the things, size of the file, vacuum distribution, log by table, queries, query by type. So DDL, insert, other, select, and slowest query, time consuming query, how much time this is total duration is taken. So all the details you will get. So share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Subscribe to my channel for more free certification tutorial and learning content. And hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comments. Thank you.